Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to make someone admin on Facebook group. Firstly, you need to go on your three dots icon on your right upper side and then just scroll down, and on all shortcuts you need to select the first selection, groups. Click on groups, then select a group that is related for you, cause that you're gonna go and just take an admin on your site. For example, if I go on the search box, here I need to type for a group, and as you can see, I will go for my group that is created by a Sultan's friend. Now, here it is, the group. I will click on it, and how do I make someone admin on this group? Just simply going to the group name, and what I need to do, just simply get up for invite if they aren't clear from this side. Now as you can see, here are all people. Just click on see all, and when you're, for example, on this side, when you tap on the person or the member on this group, just as you can see, you have many options here, and also you have the option for add as admin. Click on admin, and firstly you need to send him an invitation, and then he will need to accept that invitation to get up to have an admin access on this group. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.